So it's early June and a lot of people will be thinking about getting the lawnmower out and getting their rather untidy looking grassy areas mown down. And I'm standing today on a steep bank which we're actually not going to cut this year, certainly not until late August or early September, because when you look closely, not only have we got a whole array of different grasses which are fruiting and seeding, but we've got wonderful wildflowers. And this little yellow thing is the bird's foot trefoil, which is in Latin parlance it's Lotus canaliculatus, and it's very pretty. It flowers yellow and then the flowers fade off to a bit reddish. And up here we've got giant knapweed. Now this isn't flowering yet, but it will come into flower in July and August. It has large purple flowers and the butterflies and bees absolutely love them. Now if we go cutting this off today in June, we'll miss all that. This bank is a wonderful area for grasshoppers and insects. It's going to provide the food for bees and butterflies. And it seems just such a pity to destroy what nature has created by rushing to cut a load of grass and to try and end up looking neat and tidy. In nature things are not neat and tidy at this time of the year, and just as we keep telling our councils not to keep mowing grass verges quite as hard as they have been and to let plants and insects have their chance with the grasses and wildflowers that grow in the roadsides and on the embankments, we must do the same here and let the wildflowers grow, let them grow up and seed. We wouldn't normally start grass cutting until June because in the main garden we're very keen that the garlic and the bluebells and the primroses can all seed and die away naturally and then come up again next year, and if we cut them too early we'd kill them. Same is true on a sunny grassy bank where yes, there are some bluebells, but there's also these wonderful wildflowers which will be destroyed if we go cutting it to try and look neat. So this year we're not going to do so and do our little bit for nature as well.